Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. It is week 4 and we are going to cover lesson number 7 and 8. Our objectives include introduce and train the students about the following topics: writing process, pre-writing strategies and techniques, systematic techniques, generalist questions, webbing and chaining, free writing, and understanding your assignment. In the week 3rd, basically we are in communication aspects, types of communications, verbal and non-verbal communication, inward communication, and uh, extrovert communication. This writing strategies and plan and writing process is the continuation of the written communication to make you to properly acquaint you about writing and what's writing and how we can make writing and how the writing starts, whether you write in social perspective, people write about current affairs, or you write about media, you write some literary, or specifically when you are writing some, say, scientific subject matter. Every kind has the same root, almost have the same process. Well, the diversions and variations happen according to the communicative situation, but understanding of the basic writing process is necessary. Okay, well, uh, what is a writing process? Writing process means to what mean first we mean by writing. Writing means to compose one's ideas, feelings, problems, issues, experiment in text through a written expression, symbols, signs, metaphors, so that the other person may understand it, is called writing. Fine. Writing is such a significant field that everybody have to write, even in the modern times when computers are more involved and interactive media is much in our mind and life, yet writing has its own place. Nobody can nobody can ignore the importance of writing. Let's, for example, being a student, you have to stay in the classes for hours and hours, and you take lengthy lectures. There you have to write down the lecture notes, making assignments, taking quizzes, writing dissertations, writing applications. Fine. In our professional life, we have to write reports, letters, emails, clear, speech, announcements. Fine. There are writing, clear. As you come into media, there people write lots of things. For example, on media, you say social media, you find people writing scraps, they are writing ads, commercials. Fine. And much more. Fine. When an importance of writing in entertainment industry, you find a huge entertainment industry, films, TV, theater, clear. Even the animation movies, which are primarily a miracle of computer science and graphics, yet no animation is meaningful until it is based on a story. Similarly, you have seen the great uh, field of computer science and web of the computer application uh, games. Although game is something different, but all the games do have some dramatic element, do have some writing elements, fine. So you perceive a story, either you develop a game and on the other end you are developing a story in your mind. So writing is huge, it is indiscriminate, and it is unflawed, clear, and it is universal. Why we need writing is another important. Writing is required to preserve the knowledge and information for the longer time, so that the information and investigation and research today being made by the scientists should not go spoiled. It must be preserved, and daily the new innovations in writing processes and writing preservations are made. Old times people would write on parchments, write on papers, write on stones, whereas now you are watching a computer screen. Here everything is made and uploaded and secured, fine, and it is a multi-million business. Writing for computer professionals and engineers is equally important, because nothing is possible in corporate and engineering sectors on hearsay. You have to write whatever you have to do, fine. So writing emails, writing project reports, writing statistical reports, they all are the writing phenomenons. So it is a little bit about the writing importance, significance. Well, what is a writing process? A writing process, just like writing is just like making a recipe, clear. You have ideas, you have concept, you choice of the words, then you develop a sentence structure, this and that, fine. Let's see. uh, when we speak of writing process, we are speaking of writers unconscious and conscious creativity and process that most writing textbooks define structurally. The process is often treated as linear on that. If followed step by step, it will lead you to the successful writing product. Although some writers may write this way. The complete writing process is